In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a professional project management system in Notion using a template. This walkthrough is perfect if you want a clean, reliable setup without building everything from scratch. Start by opening Notion and making sure you're logged into your workspace so your changes save to the right place. In the upper left corner of the Notion interface, open the menu with more options. From there, choose Browse Templates. Give it a moment to load. The template gallery is fairly robust and can take a second to populate. Once the gallery is open, use the search bar and type Project Management System. This filters out the noise and shows templates built specifically for tracking projects. And take a minute to review what's available. Some templates lean heavily on task lists, while others highlight deadlines, stakeholders, or team collaboration. Think about what matters most to your workflow: clarity, flexibility, or structure, and choose accordingly. If you're unsure, the standard project management system template is a solid beginner-friendly choice that you can easily adapt later. Click Add to insert the template into your Notion workspace. Notion will automatically create the databases and dashboards for you, so you don't need to configure those by hand. When the template is added, open it from your left sidebar. This page will be your central hub where you'll view projects at a glance and drill into details as needed. Begin populating it with real information. Add your project names, key dates, deliverables, and assign team members to create meaningful entries. Use clear, consistent naming so it's easy to search and filter later. If you manage multiple projects, create a separate entry for each one. Assign deadlines and responsibilities so ownership is obvious, and include any other relevant details that your team needs to see at a glance. Attach or link supporting materials to each project. This can be documents, images, creative assets, or reference files. Linking is great if your files live in cloud storage. Uploading is helpful when you want everything centralized. Next, customize the system to match how you work. Adjust categories, change colors for visual cues, and add properties such as budget tracking or progress status. Small tweaks go a long way, and you can rename or rearrange fields whenever you like. Notion saves automatically, and you won't break the template by refining it. If you want to experiment, duplicate the page first and try changes there. Keep refining as your needs evolve. The template provides a strong foundation, and you can update it anytime without disrupting your setup. From here, start using your system to organize tasks, monitor deadlines, and collaborate more effectively inside Notion. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Notion tips and tutorials.